Why you like me too much?
You, what do you like fighting?
What fighting? I don't fight. I fight for my rights.
If a melody.
Cartoon boy. He's smiling.
Hello.
Hey, cartoon boy. Come today.
Look at how amazing you're looking.
Mama.
Good morning, officer. Good morning. Hello.
Fury.
I'm talking to you. You are just the beauty in the making.
Who be that Obanje? When she come this place?
It's like she's his girlfriend.
You know which girlfriend?
Are you serious?
Bobo where they pass here every day, nobody. You say which girlfriend?
I don't know.
Amazing. Damn. How are you?
You're making me blue. Guys, you. You're here. Who you? How do you form? Where do you exist? I did this checkpoint every day. I never see you before. Identify yourself. Now what do they do for here? Where you carry hair like Obanje, rub this one where you rub like people.
I beg you pardon.
Hey! Now me they speak English. See, I get professor. You ever kiss Oyibo? Yes. No even try go there. Who they speak English for? I dey ask you what you they do for here. You they look me. Akuna.
Yeah, I am so disappointed at you because I can never believe that an officer of the law could stoop so low. What the heck is wrong with you?
You don't finish to turn your head. If you finish to turn your head, you tell me. Wait first, number one, be say I no give you any appointments. I don't even know you before. You be Obanje, where you follow come, I don't know. Two, you they say me, I stoop. Now me they call stoop. Now from stupid they enter stupid. Show una they hear now, person they hear. Where that handcuff? You are under arrest. Yes, cause I don't know you. I don't know wetin you carry you come here. Akuna, Ashawo. Now Ashawo of they do for this state or this country. Your mama saying you go school.
You know what?
Hey, no. Your mama saying you go school. You know one go school. You stand for here. They under sun. Under sun they find man. People they do for night. You own now for sun. You dey sun here. Now abati can no etinye na nkate. Now here you dey here they do because you dey find this bobo.
Listen, ma'am. The only reason I am respecting you because of this thing you were putting on called uniform. If not, I would have shown you the stuff I am made of. What the hell is wrong with you?
Now me the open wife for you the one officer in law like.
I think.
So this girl.
You just give me your number and then we can talk some other time to avoid harassment.
Which number you want exchange? Never. Hey, see mama. See.
Listen, I don't get package no. I don't get joy. I be real and I get. I go show you say today. You see? See me oh.
You can do it! Rise up! Go get up! He who fights and falls!
Forget package no! Forget package!
You can do it, Beatrice! Beatrice, you can do it! You got my full support!
Forget to! If I make I don't get package! Let me this woman! You well! Stand up! If you stand up, what will happen?
Madam, you stand up! It's okay!
Look at this stupid woman!
It's okay!
You think look at her! Because I give her! It's okay! Because I wear gown, wear heels!
Rise up!
When I hold me, I go keep us.
Beatrice!
Hey,
What is wrong with you? My God!
Sean, Simeo, POP. DPO, sir. Sean.
Will you shut up? Obiago, what is going on here?
Femelo Dike.
And who is this?
Ago.
What?
Lioness.
Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom mele. Biati. Ife melody Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom mele. See officer in charge. Biati. Onye so. Beatrice is going. She's under control. Can she maintain? Beauty is going. She's under control, but can she maintain? Oh. Today she go good. Tomorrow no problem. Beauty na wajaya. Okwa kung fu master. Gini kama dumeluki.
Officer Beatrice.
Sir.
What is wrong with you? Why are you disgracing this station? What is that rubbish you displayed outside there?
Sir,
will you shut up? Just look at you. Look at your dressing. Look at your shoe.
Sir, this now
shut up. I say shut up. The commissioner just called me. People are writing petitions against you. You are just a disgrace to this station. You go about causing problem here and there.
I know Biago, all of them.
Shut up. You are going to use your 2 months salary to treat that lady. Yes.
That Ashawo Nami.
Shut up.
I'm not going to use my salary to treat any Ashawo. That girl will not get work.
If I hear him from you again, I will deal with you. I will not hesitate to forward your name to the police commission for dismissal. Why are you a disgrace to the police force?
Now all these people, they look for my trouble. That girl, that's what Biago waiting happen.
I say shut up. Every time you are the one they offended. Why are they not offended Obiago or Gregory? As I'm saying, you are going to treat that young lady with your 2 months salary.
I'm not going to use my 2 months salary.
And you will proceed to an indefinite probation.
What's not going to do
While
now?
at that, you must enroll into an English lesson to brush up your English. An officer like you cannot even speak common English. What is your problem? I don't know who enrolled into the force.
Biago, they teach me if I make wrong ones.
Shut up. Obiago is an officer like you. He's not a teacher. You should help yourself. Do something for yourself.
But they call him prof.
And you, I don't even know what to tell you, officers. Don't worry, I know what to do. I know what to do. Rubbish.
They start their probation. I go they come checkpoint.
Morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do quick now. You buy the granite. Hey, hunger one can finish me.
Beatrice. Beatrice, my G.
Let me come.
How are you?
Beatrice General Brigadier.
Obi, how you doing now? Obiago.
I'm good. Beatrice, what are you eating?
Which kind of question? I don't eat anything.
Are you sure?
Now wow. Waiting carry you come.
Beatrice, keep the Obi and the Agu somewhere. I am famished. I am actually hungry.
You get farm?
Please, do you have
Which one be say famished?
Do you have anything to eat? Something I can eat. Something edible.
Edible? Which one be edible? I don't even get food for house. Talk more of edible. No food, no edible. No one day.
Beatrice, in fact, please don't do this to me.
I'm waiting.
You are the last hope of the hopeless.
Which kind hope again? I never hope for myself. I will come dey hope for hopeless.
Tabeg, no finish that garri, no finish the garri. I want drink, I want dey kill me. Since morning, you know say I never chop.
Which garri?
The garri where I bring Nana, where you say me we drink.
Which garri be that?
No be me bring garri from inside.
See this. Hey, sister, don't be this garri be this. Man. Come on for here.
Hey, Beatrice!
Which day you go get sense for this life?
Beatrice, you're a terrific
You
liar.
said no dey pour spit inside my food.
Why are you shouting at? Stop shouting at the girl.
You dey find garri. You dey waka dey smell food for people house. You dey smell food for my gate. If I put food, you Obiago go just come.
I am disappointed. Is this not roasted fried manihot esculenta, also known as cassava flakes?
This one Nagari. That one where you dey talk, you dey for that place they fry chicken 2,000. This one Nagari, now I know.
Beatrice.
Which one be that one?
Beatrice, on a serious note, I need to express my innermost contemplation. I am not happy with the way things are going. I think we should go and apologize to the DPO.
Apogene?
Don't be your high horse.
Which high horse? I not there on top any horse. Ah! If a melodique. Well, me. Biati okay bulam. Go back come DPO. Who him be? I'm be God. Even be your God, you know be my God. I know the beggar. Now me, he go come this house, come beg me before I go that place. I dey work for this country. I dey put my life. You dey say I go beg. Not even go there. If you want, go beg. Not be you being boy. You being boy, they remote you. You go, hunger go kill you and gringo. Because not only for that place, una they do bribe, una they collect money. They collect money from every keke people where una see. You dey, come on your hand for this one. I get my plan.
Beatrice, yes, I know you have a plan. But you have to come down from your high horse.
I not dey on top any horse. See me see problem. Which horse I dey on top?
Well, as for me, I will go and apologize to him.
I go now, waiting concern.
Because the whole thing is so.
Not be him boy, you.
I am hungry.
Now gossip, you dey go dey gossip for am. Go, now bribe, now you dey collect, now you don't dey make you hungry.
Beatrice.
Because the bribe.
Beatrice, my G.
If now this Gary make you dey tell me, I no go give
Beatrice,
you. You say now waiting you call am again.
Manihot esculenta, grinded manihot esculenta.
No be this one na Gary, no be escalante.
Also known as cassava flakes.
Anyone where you want, cornflakes, e dey for that shop, go buy am. This one na Gary. I don't mess.
I have to be on my own. There's no problem. But I have to be on my way. But before then, let me have two. Can I have 2 pieces of the cassava flakes?
Call am the name.
Manihot esculenta.
Call am the real name.
Grinded and fried manihot esculenta.
You never ready.
Also known as.
When you call am the name, now you go drink.
It is now for you. Give person Gary more drink, my shoe.
Call the
Gary for you now.
Ewo. Obi.
Idris. Who Gary ever say drink now?
One spoon. 1 spoon. 1.5. Because my guy. Collect half.
No.
I say collect half with a pack like this. Come, this granite, I go count them. Now 4 granite.
Wait.
Count them 4 granite. Now you go carry.
No be far with that.
Which far with that? How much you have come up from my house.
One for the road. Beatrice, one for the road.
Come up from my house.
One for the road.
Now hunger go kill you. They smell food, they waka for people's house. One day they go pour you asleep. Where that mumu get?
Beatrice,
Come here, Monica.
you give me 1 spoon. I fit tell DPO me call you back.
Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom mele. Biati. Ife melodique. Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom mele. See officer in Biati. Onyenso. Biati. Is going. She's under control. Can she maintain?